cooking my tinola. Oh, this is moringa leaves. Fresh na fresh to sa Canada. Oh, ano siya, dalawang balot binili ko. It's moringa leaves. And then I'm making tinola. Nawala yung short video ko. I didn't show the way I put this soup, chicken soup. Saute first. Actually, happy Canada. Happy Family Day, everyone. But everybody is so lazy to go out. So cold. I just came from work.